If you've done any type of research on AI, you've undoubtedly come across the term hallucinate. And so when you hear about, IVA and intelligent virtual agents using AI to interact with your customers, you might be wondering, that hallucinate thing where AI just makes up stuff, if it doesn't know the answer, it'll make something up. Will that happen with my customers? Will an IVA solution, if my customer asks it something that the IVA doesn't know, is it just going to make up an answer and give it to my customer? That's a great question. It's a question I definitely had as well when a lot of the call center software vendors started talking to me about IVA a year or so ago. So I'm going to answer that question in this video. But first, if you'd like my recommendation on the best call center software vendors with IVA to quote for your organization, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I don't care if you're still in the research phase. That's totally normal. That's when everybody contacts me anyway. Just reach out, call me. I will help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at our website, AeroCominc.com. It's a great place to start your search. You can search call center software vendors by every major feature functionality, such as IVA. You can also read customer reviews and watch videos on the different vendors, so go check that out. And as always, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, like the video, all that good stuff. If you found some use out of it, make sure you mark it so other people can see it as well. So if your company implements an intelligent virtual agent, an IVA, which is an AI-powered bot that's answering your customers' questions, routing them to the right places, all kinds of cool stuff. If you do that for your organization, is it going to hallucinate to your customers? If your customer asks a question that the bot doesn't know, is it going to make stuff up and just pull something random it found on the internet and just throw it in there because it can't answer the question? Well, the easy answer to that is no. And the reason why it won't do that is because when you set up the IVA for your organization, one of the things you're going to do is you're going to program it with guardrails. You're going to tell it what questions your bot is going to answer and what questions it is not going to answer. So you're only going to allow it to answer questions that it knows the answer to. And then if it doesn't know the answer, hopefully if you have live agents there, somebody else that you can transfer a call to, you can always program it to automatically forward the call if it doesn't know the answer, not automatically just spit out a random answer. So that's the answer. No, it will not hallucinate to your customers and give them false information if you program it correctly. If you'd like my recommendation on the best IVA companies to quote for your organization, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I will make sure you find the best vendors who have the best reputation, who my customers have had the most success with. Based on your company's recommendation, I will make sure you get paired up with the right vendors who are the perfect fit. So I will save you a ton of time. I will help you make a better decision in a fraction of the time. I'm a broker for all the major vendors out there that do this. I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I know the industry inside and out. And I'm like a nice advocate to have by your side as you go through this process, so you don't have to try to Google everything and learn it on your own. Don't do that. You'll waste a ton of time. You'll probably end up with the wrong vendors anyway. And I'll also introduce you to the best sales reps to work with at those vendors I recommend. And then I'll also oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing on your vendor of choice. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, you won't have to pay me a dime for my service. The service providers, those IVA vendors, they actually pay me my broker fee. So you don't have to pay me anything at any time. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out to me and see what I might have to say. Again, don't forget to go to our website as well, AeroCominc.com. Take a look at call center software vendors, search them by IVA, read reviews, watch videos, read about them, all kinds of cool stuff there. And then, as always, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. Please hit the ring button. That'd be great, and it'd help our videos get marked out there for more people to know that they're good. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.